Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys 3 holiday hairstyles that you can use for the upcoming holidays, or honestly you can use them whenever. Christmas is my favorite holiday and this is going to be a part of one of the videos for a vlogmas. But yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, you guys already know. Follow me on Insta if you'd like, and all my other socials. But let's get right into it. Okay, I'm gonna start off with, I actually don't know where this brush is from, but I'll find it and I'll link it down below for you guys. But I'm gonna start off with a middle part. What you're gonna need for this hairstyle are just some bobby pins. These have like little jewels on them, or any type of hair clip that has like a little design. So what I'm gonna do is grab a little chunk of the front of the hair on both sides. So I'm going to make sure that it matches evenly. I'm just going to clip this out of the way. So what I'm going to do is leave a little piece hanging here in the front. You can decide to bring it back as well, or leave a little piece out like that. So I'm going to grab these 2 pieces, and I have a scrunchie here. I wish I had a smaller one, but I can't find it. So I'm just gonna tie the 2 pieces in the back. And then now, while the hair is still up, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the little, I'm just gonna put it right here. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on the same exact spot on the other side. I'm gonna try to match it. Now I'm gonna put this hair down. And obviously there's just so many cute clips that you can get to make this look super cute. Now what I'm gonna do is grab my pick and kind of brush out some of the hairs here towards the back because it's a little flat. So as you can see, it just looks so cute, so perfect. Also, as you can see, I kind of like this little clip a little bit better than this one, but I don't know where the second one is of this, so we're just gonna have to rock with this. But I still think it looks super cute. There's a lot with like pearls and things like that that just look so cute. So first hairstyle done. Okay, for this next look, I'm gonna grab my brush. I'm gonna be doing a side part. You can do the side part like whichever way you'd like. And I'm gonna be doing a half up, half down. Lost my spray bottle. I can't find it anywhere. I'm gonna go wet just this little area so it can be easier to slick back when I'm doing the half up, half down. All right, now that I already wet a little bit of my hair, I'm gonna go in and put some leave-in spray. This is the Brioche, the Avocado Kiwi Mega Moisture. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit right here. I've been using this thing up. It's like super good. So I'm just gonna put that there. Oh, and also towards the back. I'm gonna be doing a half up, half down. I'm just gonna grab both of my fingers, the pointer fingers, and just pick up like half. Now I'm just gonna start slicking back the hair. I like just washed my hair just for this video, so definitely you guys should go like and subscribe because my dedication is real. All right, we're gonna smooth everything. Make sure you could still see the side part. This is definitely really good to do when you have like second day hair. Hair is looking sleek back. Now I'm just gonna grab my scrunchie, and also I have it pushed back, but you can do like a little side swoop, whatever works with your like face structure. Super cute. All right. Okay, now for the last hairstyle. I just took out the little ponytail that I had. but we're gonna be keeping the side part and the half up, half down. And what we're gonna be doing is a little bun, but we're gonna leave some of the curly pieces out. So what I'm gonna be doing is just a little bun. So twisting the hair. But we're gonna be leaving some out. So like this. And I'm gonna grab the bottom half. I'm gonna go ahead and spray a little bit for the bottom. I'm gonna be doing the same thing but in the opposite direction. So this is what it looks like from the front and from the back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to stay safe this holiday. Enjoy, relax. That's what I'm going to be doing after this semester. It's been really rough. So I really hope that you guys all take care of yourselves, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.